everybody, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3! Good morning, everybody. I had a great sleep last night. Well, sort of. I went to bed at 11, and then around 11:30, I heard banging upstairs. And so I went to go check, and Rosie was running around by herself in the dark like a cat does at night. So weird. She's never done that before, because usually she doesn't sleep with me. She sleeps in her bed. So I brought her downstairs to sleep with me because I really wanted to get some sleep. And then I was sleeping. I need to show you something for this part. As you can see, the garland is no longer there because it fell down on me last night in the middle of the night and I had a heart attack. I swear I think I saw Jesus before his birthday. So what are we up to for Vlogmas Day 3? I am doing the very exciting task of getting my nails done. Are we okay? Okay, let me try that again. I'm getting my nails done today. It has been a while since I got my nails done. And of course, I'm going to be doing them Christmas style. So as always, I'm going to design what I want to get done first. And then I'm going to head there. First, I need to show you today's outfit in my mirror. This is what Rosie's wearing today. I've got these jeans on again today that I got from Asos.com, and yes, I'm probably gonna wear them every day for the rest of the week. And I've got this gray long sleeve shirt from Misguided. It's quite tight but stretchy at the same time, and it's a ribbed one. And on my lips is my new favorite shade of red. It's the Kylie Jenner crossover with Coco, her sister. And the color is Okurr. Does anyone know why it's called that? I don't get it. If you know, leave it in the comment section because I really want to know why it's named that. I feel like it's a really nice bright shade of red with a pink undertone. It's not that cool or blue undertone or that warm. It's like a pinkish, reddish, the perfect bright pop of color. I don't know, but I really love it. And you'll see it in a lot of my videos coming up because I wore it in a lot of my pre-filmed main videos. Great, day 3. I'm gonna go with the Gingerbread Man. If you know what this is, put it in the comments. What is that? Sit. Let's go. Alright, we have to quickly design my nails and then head to the nail salon. Definitely want to do some sort of gold sparkling, snowflakes, probably red, gold, white, and clear, I'm guessing. This is what I've got. I'm gonna have some gold snowflakes with sparkles on clear background here. Here I wanna have a little Santa Claus, and I want the tip of his hat to come off my nail, like how I do those 3D, like half off hearts before. So I wanna have just like the pom-pom coming off if they can do that. This I want a little gold reindeer, I'm thinking, with a red nose. This I just want straight up gold sparkles everywhere. And this is supposed to be a snowflake, looks more like a spider web, but I just want a big white snowflake on that. These are gonna be my Christmas nails. Alright, this is the final look. I went with my red boots again. Whoa! Mom has to go, I'll be back later. Let's do this. First up, I'm gonna grab a coffee and then I'm gonna head to the nail salon. My favorite Starbucks to come to whenever I'm in Shinjuku is this little one that's outside. It has a little counter to serve you. This is a girl that wrote the cute message on my cup.
I wrote it down for you.
Thank you, I'm so surprised.
Yeah, I always saw your issue and
Really, I'm so shocked because the coffee's done and I didn't see it until I finished it, so it was like a nice surprise.
I'm gonna see first and you drink it.
Yeah, thank you. So cute. There's a new drink in Japan from yesterday, hot baked apple. Is it good? Did you try it?
Really good.
It's good?
But Frappuccino is better, I think.
Frappuccino,
Yeah.
oh, okay. Got my coffee. It's always nice going to that Starbucks. They're so friendly there. And if you're in this area, pop by that one and say hi to Kenya. She's super sweet. All right, nail time. This is like it's an adult Kinder surprise for me. You get to enjoy it and then you get a secret surprise at the end. I design. いつも I'm annoying.
おお、すごい。
これはこれはこの感じ、この感じ、はい同じで、これはクリアとスノーフレーキとキラキラ。これはちょっとスパイダーウェブみたいだもん、スノーフレーキ。はい、白でクリア。で、これは They're laughing at my They thought it's a spider web. They're like, okay, how do we draw the spider web? Halloween じゃない。スノーフレーキ。
これはパーツじゃないってことかな。これじゃない。絵を描く。
はい。The secret message is I'm so happy to see you now. Thank you. Oh, thanks, Kenya. Oh, finished. I just finished my nails. I'm just in the bathroom now because there's light in here because it's already dark outside. It's 4:35 o'clock. And yeah, I feel so bad whenever I come in. I feel like, well, I would think anyways, there's that annoying girl that always gets these elaborate, complicated nail designs, but they always do the cutest, most perfect job. I'll do more close-ups when I get home maybe so you can see them better, but yeah, I'm really happy with them. And they also gave me some flowers. They're so sweet. The girls at the nail salon gave me these flowers for my birthday coming up. I'm home now and these are my nails. They turned out exactly how I wanted them to turn out. I love them so much. So they're gel nails and then you can hear a little tongue in the background. Rosie's kissing me to death. So the nail is gel and then she painted the Santa face and beard on and then she did a 3D gel hat and nose and mustache on top. And then the reindeer has a 3D gel nose. Oh, and the little hat poking out, do you see the pom-pom? That is done with acrylic. So the same stuff that they do acrylic nails, if you were to get fake nails, it's that same sort of thing. So it's quite sturdy and strong, just half of it. You can see here, just a little bit is off my nail. It's gonna be fine because I've done bigger hearts on the end of my nails and they never broke. So now I'm going to take Rosie for a walk, heat up some soup and then get back to editing and then I will see you guys after that. Guys, I have a confession. I just ate 2 big bags of chips while I was editing. And now I'm so thirsty. It's just like salt constant. I need water. Constant thirst. It's bad. I've been doing that a lot lately while I'm editing because I'm just like mindlessly munching away because I'm editing a lot more lately and then yeah, whatever. It's okay. I feel like I'm so busy that I need more energy anyways. Hey. I'm very busy. Ooh, I just released the Disney vlog with Venus and you guys are loving it. So I'm really excited. Whenever I release a vlog, I'm always excited to see your initial response and I just like sit there and look at what you guys are saying. But I have to stop for now because I have to get back to work. So I thought I would do a Tay Talk tonight because I haven't done one in a while and I miss those. I love doing those. So let's see your questions. At Miss_Katie Girl, can you and Rosie be Christmas tree decorations? All right, we'll try that. We have to be a decoration. Let's see, how can we do this? So I'll turn you guys here, my tree's here. Oh, I should set the mood. Fireplace. Good. You guys see her? Okay. No, it's okay. Day. Freeze. Good girl. Day. Day. Good girl. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. It's the best ornaments we can be. I hope you're satisfied with that. At Caddy_Royale wants to know, your neighbors haven't gotten mad about the trash sorting lately, have they? No, because actually, I think the Captain Trash Man, like the one that looked down from his house at me putting my garbage, because his house is in front of the garbage area, I think he contacted the garbage people, and one morning they knocked on our door and they gave us a full like explanation of everything and a demonstration on how you do everything, which was actually good because now we actually know how to do things properly. So thankfully we're doing it right now, no complaints. At IRL, Helian wants to know, what are you most excited about or looking forward to for/about Christmas? Going home to be with my family. At Angela_Leo_K wants to know, this is a weird request. Could you please show us how does the automatic butt wash toilet work? Okay, I've actually never tried it myself, so I'm actually curious but slightly scared to do it. But since you asked, let's go and try and figure it out and see what it does. Here's the machine thingy. Now we have Oshiri. What does that mean? Wido, mild. I guess this is the wild version. Ah, okay. This is for the front area. This is for your butt. This is mild. This is wild. Okay, I think you guys can see this. Ready? I'm gonna do the mild butt one. Ready? Just don't do anything. I think it needs to have a butt there. Something needs to be there. There needs to be a sensor. Okay. Wild. Whoa! Something came out to do this. It's going up to here! Oh my god! How do I stop it? Oh my god, everything's getting soaked! Yeah! Look at my wall. Elbow-san, I'm sorry. Look at this. Did you guys see that thing that came out? Now that my bathroom's wet anyways, I don't think you guys got a good angle of how terrifying this like stick thing is coming out. So I'm gonna show you guys that again quickly and then turn it off when it starts spraying. Did it get you guys? Are you okay? Alright, I need to clean this up and then I need to get in the bath. Hopefully Elbow-san has become bored of this video and stopped watching already because he's probably gonna kill me if he sees this mess. It's literally everywhere. Yeah, give me 1 second. I'm gonna clean it and then we're gonna do a Lush bath bomb, a Christmas one. I haven't done a bath bomb in a while, so yay! Alright, I'm gonna open this guy. Mime gave this to me. And it has 2 Lush bombs inside. It's the cutest little packaging ever. Let's see what's inside. Shoot for the stars. And a butterball. Alright, I think I'm going to go for shoot for the stars because I haven't seen this one before. So let's do this one tonight. I'm just going to run the bath first. While my bath is running, I've got another giveaway for you guys. I wasn't going to do this one for a little while, but I just released my Disneyland vlog tonight with the kickoff of Santa. And I read a bunch of the comments, and I have to say the #1 requested item is Kylie Jenner lip kits. So, when I bought the Coco collection, I also grabbed a couple more for you guys. So I'm going to be giving away these, which are extremely hard to get. Let me double check on the website, but as far as I know, they're always instantly sold out, and I don't think they're available anymore. Yeah, I think it's not available at all. I don't see it even on the website even saying sold out, so I think you can't get it anymore. It's a crossover she did with her sister Chloe, and the colors are so nice. Inside there's 4 colors. One of them is Okurr, the one I have on now and the one I'm wearing for most of my videos. It's my favorite new shade of red. And then there's also a deeper, I don't want to open all these because I want it to stay clean, but there's a deeper purple color. The color I have on, which is called Okurr, which is the pinkish red, I'd say. And then there's this one called Gorge, which is like a plum purplish color, also great. These are all perfect winter shades, I have to say. And then there's a what Chloe calls is her perfect nude lip, which I haven't tried yet, but I have a feeling it's going to be my new obsession, my new exposed. And then there's like a really sparkly one, which would be so nice for Christmas. Look how pretty that is. So I love all of them, and I thought I would do this giveaway now so that you guys can get it and enjoy it throughout the holidays, because I feel like a lot of these colors would be perfect for Christmas parties or anything like that. So I'm gonna do this giveaway now today. How to enter is you have to be subscribed to my channel, you have to like this video, and tell me in the comment section where you're gonna wear your lip kits to. It could be like going to a Christmas party, I'm going to wear it to visit so-and-so, I don't know, anything. Just let me know. Be creative and let me know where you're gonna wear this to. Someone just commented that it's not safe to leave your email because of like phishing and scamming companies. So maybe we're gonna change it. Don't put your email, but put your social media account maybe, so I can contact you. So either put your Twitter name or your Instagram or something, and then I'll contact you that way and ask you for your email that way, and then I'll email you and find your address to send this to you. So that's how I'll do it. So leave your Twitter handle, Instagram. I think Facebook's not gonna work, so yeah, one or the other. If you don't have one of those, maybe just create an account for this, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of giveaways at least every Friday so that you can participate in these. And yeah, so good luck to you guys. I'm really excited to give these away because you guys know how much I love them, and I know you guys are gonna love them too. Tonight we're gonna do Shoot for the Stars, which smells so good. It says on the internet, it's a honey-scented sparkles of Brazilian orange with bergamot waltz with swirling golden stars, creating a world of cobalt color. As the calming blanket of shimmering midnight blue unfolds, Brazilian orange and bergamot oils combine to send your mood rocketing up to the stars. Yes, I need that right now. It smells so good, I can't stop smelling it. And it has these sparkling gold stars, just like my nails, and my decorations, and my eyeshadow usually.
I love gold!
Go. Alright, I'm just gonna get in the bath now and then head to bed, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Tomorrow, Charlotte is coming to stay at Tay Tay Hotel, so please look forward to a whole bunch of Shaler videos, Christmas style. I'm really looking forward to it. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And I will see you guys again tomorrow. Bye! Good night.